Are you a manager who know AI is powerful but still you are not using in your daily work? Everyone is talking about the AI, but most of the time either it is too technical or too generic. No one shows you how actually use AI in the daily life, like meetings, productivity improvement or making decision in the business. I am Ravindra. I work in the process improvement domain since last 15 years and I use AI tool to solve the real business problem. On this channel, I will show you a simple and the practical way to use AI for turning your work into the structured output, saving time using the automation, improving the productivity as a leader and making a faster and the better decisions. Imagine this, your email, tasks and the reports getting done using the AI within a second. This is not a theory. This is the real world AI for leaders explained in the simplest way. If you want to become a smarter, faster and AI power leader, subscribe to the channel. Let not just learn AI to lead smarter and the better.